Welcome to Draw Repair channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first open up your phone app. Now from here tap on three dots, then go to settings option. After that go to supplementary services and give it a moment. Then go to call forwarding option. After that go to voice calls. Now from here to enable call forwarding you have to tap on always forward. And then type the number that you want to set for call forwarding. Also, if you want to choose number from your contact list, just tap on this icon and then choose any contact as you want. If I select this, then tap on enable and give it a moment. And it's done. You can see your call forwarding has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable it, just tap here, then tap on disable and give it a moment. Now if you tap on always forward again, and it's done. You can see your call forwarding has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.